Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you in what ways you can report a problem in the Bus Times application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the help/feedback section, look for the Tell us what is not working with our app button and just click on that. And as you can see, there are 4 ways you can report a problem. So you can use your phone's default mail app, or you can use Gmail and Outlook. And you can also send the feedback to the TFL, which is their customer support team. So just click on the one that you want to use and report your problem. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.